Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, i-unbox natin itong in-order ko sa Noon. So, pinurchase ko siya kagabi. Okay. So, this is the Ulanzi J11 microphone, wireless microphone. So, ayan guys. So, i-unbox na natin siya. In-order ko to kagabi and today morning siya dumating. So guys, na-purchase ko to for 59 Saudi Riyal. So if you will convert it into peso, it's 885 pesos. So yan, buksan na natin siya guys. Let's see what's inside. Oh. Okay, so may kasama siyang, I think this is the manual. Yeah. So, this is the manual. And we will keep that one and we will read it later. We have also this small, like, card. We have also, I think this one is charging cable. USB-C charging cable, and ang ating wireless microphone. So, open natin yan ganyan. Ito yung ating receiver, and ito naman yung transmitter. Okay. The weight, it's for two, it's too much less. And ito yung ating receiver. Yan siya guys. Napaka-handy. Para ka lang AirPods. So, itetest natin siya later, guys. So, yeah, I'm so excited. So, let's connect this one, guys, to my mobile. So, it says here in the manual, we have to plug in the receiver into the port of the phone. I hope it will fit. So, plug natin dito. Okay. Then we have to press so I think this one, if you see green indicator that it's connected, so we will try it. So hi guys, right now we are trying this Ulanzi wireless microphone, the J11. So let's see kung gaano ba kalawak ang kanyang range pagdating sa transmitter and sa receiver. So this one, it's like 2 meters away. This is like 4, 5 meters, 6, 10 meters away. So, naririnig nyo pa ba ako, guys? So, I think naririnig nyo pa naman ako kasi parang ang lapit lang eh. Let's try also, guys, the noise cancellation. Let's see and sit here. So guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking background kasi talagang magtutupi talaga ako ng damit ngayon dahil nga naglaba ako nung isang araw. So, kailangan kong magtupi and ayusin ang ating mga labahin. So, tatry na natin yung noise cancellation guys. As you can hear, nakabukas yung ating aircon. Naririnig nyo ba? So, it said there is the 3 level of not noise cancellation but noise reduction. So, itatry natin siya. So, there is a button. May button dito guys. So, press nyo lang siya ng once. Pag nag-blink ng isang beses yung green light, so meaning nasa level 1 ka na ng noise reduction. So, kayo na ang humusga guys, ang difference from the previous one at sa level 1. And then, i-press ulit natin yung button. Nag-blink siya ng dalawa, meaning nasa level 2 na ng noise reduction. I-press ulit natin for the last level. So, magbi-blink siya ng 3. So, guys, kayo na ang humusga kung naging maliwanag ba ang ating boses at nabawasan ng ingay ng aircon. Napaka ganda nito. So, kung beginner ka or content creator, beginner, so, kung naghahanap ka ng mura at talagang pasok sa budget mo, I think this is the good idea. This is the Ulanzi J11 wireless microphone. So, kung bibilin mo siya sa peso, it's around 800 plus pesos. And dito kasi sa Saudi, it's 59 Saudi riyal. So, guys, that's it for today. At kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, guys, so, just leave thumbs up and i-share mo na tong video na to. At kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, i-click mo na yung subscribe button dyan sa baba. At wag mo din kakalimutan na i-click na yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!